How to block TikTok on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find and tap on Screen Time. This feature helps you get insights about your device usage and set limits. Within the Screen Time options, tap on App Limits. This allows you to set daily time restrictions for specific app categories. On the App Limits page, tap on Add Limit. Here, select the social category, and then choose TikTok from the list. Tap Next at the top right to continue. You can now set the amount of time for the limit. Once you are done, tap on the checkmark icon in the top right. Finally, the limit is now set for the TikTok app. Following these steps, you can easily block TikTok app on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.